Sometimes we face some problems with Snapchat app. If you are facing Snapchat camera full screen problem, this tutorial review will guide you how to fix this. So follow this simple solution to fix this problem. Solution number 1. You have to allow all permissions for your Snapchat app. So go to your phone settings, search for Snapchat, tap on that, and make sure to give all permissions here. And then you have to update your Snapchat app. So go to your App Store or Play Store, and if you see any update available for Snapchat, then update the app and check the problem if fixed or not. And another solution is go to your Snapchat app, open your profile, tap on the settings icon at the top right corner, scroll down, and inside of privacy control section, tap on clear data, and you have to clear cache from here. Once done, relaunch your Snapchat app and check the problem if fixed or not. And another solution is log out from your Snapchat account and log back in. To do that, open your Snapchat app and open your profile. Tap on the settings at the top right. Scroll down all the way to the bottom. Tap on log out. Once you log out, log back in and check the problem if fixed or not. So if you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.